That would be so cool. Dude, can you hand me some harnesses? Oh, I got them? Cool. Let me get the bag, man. And you got the blue one, yeah.
I think after this next turn up here, we're still going slightly up though.
I know, it's like Princess. Okay, check it.
Is that red fox or I don't know if you looked at it.
I didn't check it.
Didn't check. My buddy had an LNS. They were, what are they called? I think they were a bard. And he had a massive oak tree. I know it got struck by lightning and had this little crevice. And actually one of the babies fell out. And he, like, his mom was like, got on nervous, called the park ranger. And they go, don't worry about it, they'll climb right back up. And the little baby would take its beak and hit it in the bark and then climb over his feet and got right back in. Wow. Like 40 foot high. Wow, yeah, I'm good. If you want to give him water anytime, just I'll catch up.
Is that a headlight in the distance?
Nah. No, just power lines. Man, his headlights are.
It's
a good spot for water.
Cool, I can see you now. I can see you.
Zoro! Good boy, Zoro. Princess now. Nope, JC. Thank you, buddy. Well, you're the best. You are the best. Yes, sir. You don't need to do that on this harness, but thank you. Okay, buddy, it's okay. Oh, got the camera.
This is where we met the guy on the dirt bike at the very end.
Yeah.
We went to that really cool like farm area with the white things. A bunch of them. There's. What's that?
Were they burrowing those?
Smaller owls. Yep. My buddy had an owl. Well, like a little bit bigger than that, but like it's kind of cool. A woodpecker will, yeah. It's kind of cool. Like, first a smaller bird will start a little hole, and they'll burrow in it, and then once it gets bigger, a bigger bird will take it over, and then once it gets real big, an owl.